Okay friends, in this time I would like to present you about my journal review, which is titled The Use of Songs as a Tool to Work on Listening and Culture in FL Classes. In this article was written by Edgar Albertero Rena Aravelo. Okay, at the first time I would like to tell you the introductions of the journal. This article addresses how when we create authentic listening activities based on English song, students' listening skill can be fostered and how these activities can be culturally meaningful and motivating for them. And then the review of literature for this journal is, the first is the definitions of listening. The definition of listening by Oxford is a complex problem-solving skill and it is more than just perceptions of the sounds. Listening includes comprehension of meaning words, phrases, clauses, sentences, and connected discourse. And the second is the definition of song. Songs are the product of culture and shared values, commitment, responsibility, love, history, traditions, customs, and specific characteristics of spoken language. And the listening definitions and difficulties. The definition of listening by Sally Coban is, listening is one of fundamental language skill. It means that listening is a medium that allows people to gain a large portion of their information of the human affairs and the information of the world, and also their understanding, their sense of values, and also their appreciating. Underwood mentions some kinds of difficulties in listening that are directly related to the student themselves. It is because when the student it is because students have established learning habits when they are listen to the teacher, when the teacher speak to them softly, clearly, and slowly. So when they face another sources like the Western country, they become worried, and also they will stop listen because they didn't do that in the past time. And then we come to song as authentic material. According to Hornby, a song is a piece of music that is sung. Ross says that the example of authentic listening material is listening to the song to learn more about well-known bands that sings in English. As we know that whenever we are, songs always follows us. Like when we are at the office, at the school, at the canteen, and others, we can listen to the songs. Because of that, from the song, we can create and make the material and the lessons which are related to the material that will be taught to the students and can develop the comprehension of listening for the students. And the use of song stimulates and motivates students to comprehend the content of materials. From the songs, students can practice the rhythm, phrase, and the intonations pattern of the English language. And also students can learn about the grammar and the vocabulary from the songs. And they can develop the comprehensions or the form skill, especially the listening skill. And the last purpose of the song is, song can stimulate and motivate students for the class discussion. And we come to the procedure to use a song in activities. There are three procedures that we use in the activities. The first time is activating prior knowledge. In this activity, at the beginning class, teacher activates students' background knowledge, asking students about their experience that is related to the material that will be taught. And the second is while listening. In these activities, students, teachers should explain the purpose of this activity, and also uh, in this activity, students should listen for the main idea, the details, and the making inferences for the songs. And in this stage, teacher can build skill by asking students for the reason the listening each time they listen. And the last is post listening. For this activity, teacher can check the comprehension of the students and also can evaluate the result of the student. And we come to link between songs and culture. Biram and Researcher refer to cultural dimensions that have three related aspects of foreign language teaching and learning as refer. And the first is there is that aspect of communicative competence which enables a foreign speaker of a language to understand the ways in which a language can be used in a specific socio-cultural context and can refer to the cultural knowledge and presuppositions of specific groups of native speakers. And the second is there is the ability of a foreign speaker to reflect upon his or her own culture, how it appears to outsider, and how a relationship can be established between it and the culture of others in order to facilitate communications, despite different cultural perspectives. And the last is there is the ability of the teacher of foreign languages to mediate between learners' cultures and others, to help learners to acquire their own capacity for mediations, and to stimulate learners' interest in other cultures in general. Also, it is respective of the link with a specific language. And we come to the research design for this journal. The research study that the writer conducted was a classroom action research. And the research question that the writer used is, how can English songs be used as a tool to foster listening skill as well as to engage students in cultural knowledge? The setting and participant for this journal is the writer did the research in a university foundation in Tunja, Boyaka. The specific setting for this research study was the regular English second classes of the first academic semester of 2010. The students reached about 8 to 20 students. And the instrument and procedure for the data collections. The writer used some instruments for his research. They are the questionnaire, classroom observations, students' documents, and semi-structured interview. The procedure that the writer used is the first is the writer applied a questionnaire to know listening students' background as well as their interests. And the second is the writer collected students' documents and based on the 6 workshops and observed the performance of the students during the lessons. And finally, the writer developed an interview in order to analyze students' final reflections about the whole achievement of the study. The pedagogical design for this journal is the writer designed and applied 6 lesson plans taking into account Van-Duzer bottom-up and top-down processing when listening as well as brown procedure of any listening activity that I just tell it before, like there are pre-listening, while listening, and post-listening. And each lesson plan had a workshop based on a song. And the data analysis, the writer used the triangulation technique based on the fact that it is used when 2 or more methods are employed for the data collections process. I found the advantages and disadvantages from this journal. The advantages that I found in this journal are, the first is, the use of songs stimulates and motivates students to comprehend the content of materials. And students can develop their first skill, especially listening skill, through listen to music. And the last is song can relate the culture and the material. The disadvantages for the journal are song doesn't have all content of the material for reading and writing, and it is difficult to search the authentic song which is related to the material that will be taught by the teacher. And the last is the conclusion of the journal. Songs are the most suitable type of authentic material to develop listening comprehensions. This is because students feel motivated when working with these kinds of materials. Understanding the language and culture students are learning through song is much more attractive for them. Songs are also easily available. Songs present new vocabulary and expressions in context. Songs in the classroom motivate the students to attend lesson and pay attention in the class. And the last is songs facilitate the learning of a language in interesting and effective ways. Songs that touch upon social issues and cultural aspects are appropriate choices. I think that's all for my presentations. And if you have suggestions, comments, and questions, we can take it to the comment in the website. Thank you for your appreciations to look my video. See you.